Hey guys, today I wanted to come on and share with you this robotic vacuum. It's a 2-in-1 robot vacuum, so it has the ability to vacuum your floors and it will mop your floors. It has the 2-in-1 auto empty and docking base, and it can hold 3 liters of dust and debris from vacuuming up your floors. So that reduces the amount of time that you have to spend replacing and emptying the dustbin. It has a 5-layer filtration system that can capture up to 99% of the particles and dust and keep them from being released back into your home. It has a water tank large enough to make 2 passes on like a 500 square foot area of your home. The app for this robotic vacuum is so easy to use. You can set the moisture level for the mop. So if you need your floors to be mopped but you want them to dry super quick, you can set the moisture level to lower and it will mop your floors, and that way they can dry super fast. You can also choose between 2 different mopping patterns, so that's really neat. You can also choose an option for deep scrubbing or just a routine mop of your floors. Okay, so here's my vacuum, and I have it set in the docking station. As you can see, it has a power light right here, and it's connected to my home Wi-Fi. You can customize your robotic vacuum through the app with a quick view movement on a map of your home, and wherever you are, you can see it has been cleaned. You can set the cleaning areas with a no-go zone, places you don't want it to clean, and it is also compatible with Alexa and Siri. Your robotic vacuum will come with 1 mop and vacuum robot and 1 self-emptying base. It comes with the 1 rolling brush inside the vacuum and 4 side brushes. I'll show you what I got in the box. It comes with 4 of these side brushes. I have 2 attached to my robot already, and it comes with 2 extra. It comes with this dust bag, and there's also 1 in my base. It also comes with an extra filter. And it comes with these mopping pads. It also comes with this user manual, so if you have any questions or concerns, you can always check the manual, and it has the QR code right here, so you can easily take a picture of this and pull it. It will pull up in your app store. I'm going to hold the vacuum up so you can see it a little closer. The robotic vacuum has an intelligent design. It can detect your furniture. It's thinner than most robotic vacuums, so it can easily go under most of your furniture. I'm going to show you a little bit in my kitchen of how it works, and I hope you check it out, because if you do, I know you'll love it just as much as we do.
Start auto cleaning. Relocating. Please wait. In charging.